If you're just joining us, I'm Lucy and this is Mark. In 2018, we left Korea and now we have explored over 50 countries in our tiny home on wheels, TB.
Last time, we drove over 700 kilometers to reach the ferry port in Tangier Med. Unfortunately, once we arrived, we were targeted by ticket scammers.
One moment, sorry. Let's see.
I usually don't yell, but I was so mad and then 너무 화가 나가지고 그 사람들 소리 질렀어. 가까이 오지 말라고.
Lucy continues a long rant in Korean. So to move things along, basically what happened is this guy,
Okay, so
the one you hear yelling, approached us after we got out of our van. He told us to follow him for tickets, and he could clearly see our camera filming. But when we saw him trying to lead us past the official ticket booth, we told him no thanks. That's when he got angry and started screaming. Soon we were surrounded by angry scammers, him and his two scammer friends. Then he started yelling Arabic at some police officers standing nearby. They were pretty cool, but asked if we would delete any footage the angry scammer appeared in, just to cool things down. So we did. Then we bought tickets at the official ticket booth.
저기 떨었어. 그냥 빨리 가고 싶어.
hello.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. 허니 패스포트는? I don't see your passport. Oh, here. 허니가 티켓 들고 있지? Guys, anyways, we are gonna get on the ferry. We didn't expect to, we didn't plan to leave today, but it is what it is, right? I mean, we had a really great time in Morocco. I know the Moroccan people are so nice. I mean, the ending is quite not great. That stupid butthole scammer, but it's not. That guy doesn't represent huge Morocco. I hope that it doesn't make misleading to you guys. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go back to Europe. Mark hasn't been in Europe for 3 years. I think 3 years 아니가?
3 years? We came here in August, so it's been 1 year and 9 months.
Oh, okay. I say in Korean it's 3 years. I gotta put the 3 years.
3 years? We've only been traveling.
I don't know. Just that scammer just ruined my brain right now. So anyways, we are gonna enjoy a little bit pork later, but when we got in there, it's a pretty late night, and we are gonna shopping when everything's open.
Yeah.
Okay, just ready to leave, and goodbye Morocco, inshallah, and bislama. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Mushki mushki.
Mushki mushki. Let's go.
Oh well, here we go.
I can hear Spanish lady. Hola. El cantado, el cantado. Gracias. Chiquita, chiquito. And rest of the Spanish word is purse. So I'm not gonna say it. 아, 이렇게 돌아라는 거지? 아, 저 그레차. Muchas gracias. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. 아저씨 안 보여. Yay, we're going.
All right.
Wait, we should go up, right?
Cuberto 4. We're on Cuberto 4. Yeah. Let's go up.
Think a lot like this.
Yeah. Should we go outside?
Yeah, why not?
There we go. If it's not blocked, that means we can go up.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Oh, wow. 여기는 불러주고. 마지막 모로코일 수 있을 것 같다. 근데 벌써 의자 너무 뒤로 밀었나?
스페인 도착.
스페인 도착 아직 안 했는데?
Almost. 아, 스페인 이쪽이네.
너 바보지?
It's tight for us. Ooh, so close. Ooh. That was so close.
지금 이렇게 좁았나? 아, that was,
There we go.
Woohoo! We are in Spain.
We are in Spain.
Hola, España.
Oopsie.
Guys, we are in Spain. We got the stamp on our passport, and you know, the today travel wasn't that easy. The end was kind of bitter, so we are gonna buy a cerveza. Beer. Dos cerveza. 기분이 이상하다. 진짜 이상하다, 어디야. 너무 오랜만에 와서 그런가? 너무 낯설어. 가서 라운드 바스를 너 지나서 가야 돼. 고생했다.
One beer and two beer. Cruz Campo.
Dos cervezas. 나는
Alright.
집에서 집 모드다. Where we park is our house.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome back to Europe.
아, 어떻게 하더라? 스페인어로? 이거
스페인어로는
친친?
살루트 아니고
살루트 맞지 않아?
살루트가 이탈리안 거잖아.
아, 그 맞나?
그렇지.
아, 인터넷 없어 우리. 데이터도 없어.
Anyways.
이제 했어.
Cheers.
Cheers. 고생했어. 야, 우리 저녁도 안 먹었는데. Good morning, TV crew. We slept well in this parking lot. Yeah, the day we arrived, I guess like there's so many people, and now it's quite empty. Nighttime, you know, young kids like come over here and then watch the beach, look at the beach. You go walk there. There's a place you can see. Also have a beautiful color of the sea you can see. So yeah, it was quite crowded, but in the morning no one is here. And today we gotta buy a SIM card. We don't have any SIM card, so we couldn't access the internet or any information yet. So we are gonna go to the Vodafone and buy a 2 SIM card and charge up, and then figure out our car insurance, because we are in Europe right now, so we have to get the new car insurance, green card. And then after that we gotta exchange our money too, because we were planning to do the dirham to euros at the Tangier Med, but as you guys know, something happened. We just like hurried to get out of the Morocco, so we gotta do it if we can. So Mark is getting ready. Are you ready, baby? I'm the butt camera. I'm your butt camera. Alright. Ready to go, huh? 첫 번째로 신카드 사러 갑니다. 7 minutes, 7분.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it. Bye bye. 잘 지냈다. 여기 맞나? 나 위성지도 봤는데 이렇진 않았던 것 같은데.
We are back in Europe, baby. Hello.
Hi.
Armando.
그거 140 is for the 20 euros. So it's a nice price. SIM card is done and we are gonna do the car insurance now, right?
Yep.
Hopefully we can find a parking lot. Okay, I'm done with insurance. Insurance is done. I'm just waiting for Mark to pick me up. Find the exchange, right?
Yeah.
Look at the ferries. We took the one of the ferry. Come here. Mark is following the guy who approached us for, ferry ticket. So I'm gonna stay in the car. Yeah, as usual, I'm staying in the car. I think it's like funny that like we are living like this for 5 years. We made a habit. One person go out, one person stay in, unless we go to supermarket or something. So Mark went out, and as usual, I'm just staying in the car and then stay with the TV. Yeah, it's so funny that we made a habit of it. I mean, it's good, Sometimes when you go to the rest stop and things, like people get a lot of problem. We just like try to, like if someone say like your tire is flat, and then Mark go out, I'm gonna stay in the car. And when I need to go out, and I just like lock the door and then everything. Yeah, just keep in habit. I don't know why I'm talking about it. I'm hungry. 저 갈매기 봐. 옥수 크다. Mark is coming back. 완전 쩔었네. 나와서. 덥지? 덥지?
I ran because
왜?
I wanted to beat the 20-minute mark.
그래 파킹 그 파킹 그거 티켓은? 그래서 돈은 바꿨으니까. Good job.
Thank you.
바꿔도 스캔.
Alright, I beat the
20.
minute
Yay! Free parking for 20 minutes.
We did it.
자, 나 그러면 허니 내비게이션 그거 한다. 세팅할게.
Okay.
With everything wrapped up, we made our way west towards Tarifa and the Strait of Gibraltar.
Guys, I think I love this part of Spain too, right? The nature.
Watercolor.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's the near the beach. I don't know, it's quite small through the camera, but it's just emerald color, right? It's so stunning. It's just beautiful, and I love it. We haven't, buy pork yet, but we had a beer. Finally, nice, good price beer, and today we're gonna just buy a pork, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
We got a long train behind us.
Because Jimmy is Sloven.
And she's proud of being slow.
She's 60. Speed limit is 60 and around the bend.
Oh, that's a little.
여기 바로 들어오는데 리들 있대. 돈 많네. 리들. Hello little.
Hi little.
Hello little.
How are you little?
How are you little?
Oh my gosh, how long has it been since I've been in so little? Like 2 years? The camper looks familiar.
모든 캠핑카가 다 퍼밀리한 것 같지 않나? 스위스에서 온 것 같은데?
They have European bacon.
유로피안 아메리칸 말고 아메리칸 베이컨 하면 안 돼?
Okay, let's try.
단어. 이거는 1점 아니다.
But this is Serrano.
Serrano.
So if we want to try it, we want to get the burrito, right? 이거 어떻게 먹어?
이거 그분이 샀던 애슐리가 산 거랑 좀 다르네.
Oh, you mean the one with cheese?
Yeah, but no cheese is fine too. As long as it please pork. 삼겹살 사지 않을래 아니야?
삼겹살.
너의 표정 봐. 우와, 얼만데?
진짜 괜찮다.
4.3 몇 킬로에? 야 이거 3.57밖에 안 해? 몇 그램인데? 그램 엄청 커 보이는데 526g.
Yeah.
오케이.
This will be about maybe 4 euros. Less than 4 euros. Like that.
그니까 레어 장난 아니네.
너무 좋다.
그 하나 하고 되겠나?
이거 할까?
이게 더 싸. 1.19.
They're both huge.
싼 거 해.
Okay. 쭈꾸미야 이거.
쭈꾸미네 진짜?
There's the 그 뭐지?
거북선이다.
right?
쇼핑은 끝. 69.95 나왔어요. 오 바람. 거기로 가면 되는 거지, 맞지?
Yeah, we can go there. We have plenty of electricity. If we want to go to a free spot, we can go here too.
Okay. 오, 오, 바람. 야, 여기 바람 너무 세네.
There's actually more room for more
왜
campers.
파킹 스팟 3라고 해놨었는데?
Yeah, we can park right there.
나이스. 여기가 오늘 우리의 잠재 풍경이고.
Alright, so we're at the campsite and it's a bit windy.
Hello.
And that guy over there saw our video yesterday.
허니 말라리아 걸린가? We still don't know you got a malaria or not. We
Yeah.
are gonna keep eye on you. 하몽이다.
This is such a redneck snack.
이거 내 거다. 콧물 났어. 왜? 돼지 껍데기 맛있지? 야, 근데 돼지 안 먹은 지 좀 됐단 말이야, 내가. 왜?
Everything is deadly.
근데 당분간 돼지만 먹을 거다. 뭐지? 내가 언젠간 someday I'm gonna reveal your evil side.
Pinch the head. Pinch the head.
What are you doing?
Look at some meat. Get some meat. Take a look at that.
진짜 있다. 스킨도 있는 거지? 마크는 밖에서 고기를 굽고 and rice is done. 쌈장 is done. 양파조림 is done. Awesome. 약간 초벌구했고 이제는 진짜 본격적으로 기다리기는 하.
Yeah, so we don't have too much oil splattering everywhere. Right now we can't open the vent either, right?
루프벤은 닫혀 있어요. 바람이 너무 많이 불어서.
You are the
You gotta eat first, cause I ate 삼겹살 last year. You gotta do it.
Okay.
삼겹살을 진짜 오랜만에 먹지.
Kilo sanchu. A little bit of samgyeopsal.
쌈장,
Doenjang.
양파조림.
Oh my gosh. Ready?
행복해? 잘 먹겠습니다. 맛있네.
I'm talking about.
김치 완전 익었지? 오, 김치 완전 익었네? 김치 완전 짜다.